Learn how to invest in 2022. Hi there. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel to enjoy more videos like this. Thank you. If your goal for the new year is to start investing for your future but you're not sure where to exactly start, you're at the right place. Investing doesn't have to be confusing or complicated. In fact, investing in your future is one of the best long-term moves you can make, especially if you're a few decades from retirement. While investing itself is simple once you get set up, it's not always easy to know where to start. The amount of available investing information can be staggering, and you might easily find yourself sifting through ill-advised stock picks, unsolicited advice from family members, and market news that's always full of drama. Getting started early and investing often is the secret to a healthy retirement account. Plus, the power of compound interest, which can add a huge boost with a long investment horizon, can make your money work for you so it grows even as you sleep. You have to cut through the headlines, advises Jill Fopiano, President and CEO at O'Brien Wealth Partners. It's easy to find conflicting articles about the same exact investments. Not sure where to get started? We're here to clear that up for you. The best investment strategies are often the simplest. Let's take a look at a few popular investment options for beginners. Beginner Investing Strategy Overview. Before you start investing, it's important to nail down a few things. First, consider your budget and emergency savings. Experts recommend that you have about 6 months' worth of expenses in a savings account put aside before you invest seriously in the market. However, if you have an employer-sponsored 401k, it's not a bad idea to at least begin contributing to it while building your emergency fund. That way you can still benefit from employer contribution matching. But get your emergency fund moving. In most cases, it's advisable to pay high-interest debt before you start investing. Those with student loans or mortgages below 5% APR may want to chip away at their debt slowly while also investing in the stock market. However, personal loans and credit card balances with 10% APR or more should really be taken care of first, as any market gains will likely just be overshadowed by the interest on that debt. After you have enough set aside in a rainy day fund, review your budget and invest as much as you feel comfortable doing, or can. Keep in mind that even $5 is enough to invest. Small, consistent amounts add up over time, and the most important thing is to be consistent and get started as soon as you can. If you need assistance in your investment portfolio, a robo-advisor can ask you a few questions about your risk tolerance and investment timeline to determine the best investments for you. Robo-advisors are used by most investors and are reliable. Once you know your risk tolerance, you're ready to open an account. You can stick with a robo-advisor, or consider Next Advisor's list of best online brokers for a more traditional or self-guided option. Consistency is the key. Try to invest at regular intervals, such as every time you get paid. This strategy is known as dollar cost averaging, because contributing regularly over time will get you in the habit of investing. Simply focus on consistency. Some employers can even automatically deposit a portion of your paycheck to your investment account. When the money is in your account, be sure it's not just sitting there. Take the extra step to ensure it's actually being invested. Depending on your account type, it's not always enough to simply move money over. With many online brokers, you need to take the additional step of purchasing the stock or fund you want to invest in. Finally, check in every once in a while. You don't want to check it every day, says Fopiano. Markets go up and down, but if you have a long-term view, you can stomach the down markets. It's best to check to make sure your accounts are operating as expected, that dividends are paid, and being reinvested, if that's what you want, and that your investments match your risk levels and future goals. With consistency, time in the market, and investments you feel good about, you'll be setting up your future self with plenty of cash when you're ready to retire. And that's it for this session in this video. I want to believe you have had a thing learnt from this video and you will put it into practice in your financial journey. Thank you for watching. If you have a question, please use the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Cheers.